It is Thursday morning. I got a notification on Jose North Pick-N-Pull has a 2003 Celica GT. It has an action package on it. I saw the front bumper, the side skirts. Hopefully the rest of the stuff is there and everything is there. We can make some good profit here. Haven't done this in a while. This is really getting me all excited. Hopefully the car's still complete. I got the notification just this morning around 7. It's like 7:15 right now, so it sucks because it's in the morning. Morning commute out to the bay is horrible. It is a 2-hour drive right now in traffic. It is supposed to be a 1-hour drive, but I don't know. Let's see what happens. Hopefully I get there in time. I just want to grab something to make my trip worth something, I guess. But fingers crossed. Holy shit, it's right there. Fuck, no. Wow! The rear valance is still there. You can probably grab that. Automatic center console is here. I'm about to swoop this. Yeet. I'm gonna take the center console because the one on mine is cracked and broken. So the awesome part about this is if you take the bumper, they'll charge it as a bumper and not a valance, which is what we're about to do. Honestly though, I know everyone gets excited over the TRD spoiler. Sad thing I missed out on it, which is fine, it's whatever. But you guys gotta be careful, man. When you're doing this type of shit and ruining it for someone else, you're just fucking up for the community, man. Come on. Gotta be a little bit more careful when pulling these shits apart. Jeez. But anyways, gotta take out all the ones on the side. I believe it's a 10mm. Got the 2 bolts out on each side, or 1 bolt, and then you want to take off the one in here. And then there's one in here. Let me go buy this and then I'll come back for a second time, but I think that's gonna be it. So I pulled off the rear bumper. I got this center console, the tail lights. Everything else is already taken off this car. That's valuable. Someone took the side skirts, kind of the reason I came. I have a passenger side skirt that I'm trying to find a driver's side skirt for, but can't find one. And this, I'm really sad that they broke this. Like, why? I guess the parts are free.
So besides these rims, and then I check online. Can I go?
Just walk out.
Which way, left or right?
Got all this for $100. Not too bad. This can probably sell for about 160 to 180. These can probably sell for $100. That I'm keeping because the one on mine is damaged. And probably the one in this one, I'm gonna put it in the supercharged one because the guy drilled holes to put gauge pods on the assembly itself. So I don't like the location where he put them. So they're gonna get deleted. I'd rather have an A-pillar gauge pods or whatever they call them. And just like that, fits without touching the tint. Don't want to damage the expensive tint I got. But yeah, we're all set. Gotta mute the music. Don't want to get copyright protected, whatever they call it. Copyright strike. I am dirty. I am officially dirty. Like, holy crap. So let's embark out of here. A little bit disappointed that I did not find the side skirts and the spoiler. Spoiler always gets sold first. Yes. Everyone loves that high spoiler. Everyone always buys it first. So unfortunately I don't have it. Sucks, but then again, someone else did get it. It's whatever, I guess. But I just hate it. I hate it when someone does what they did, where they destroyed completely the whole hatch. What happens if someone needed a hatch that color? The color on the top was fine. The color on the bottom was terrible. Like, it has a lot of scratches, but I mean, if you could buff it out, you can most likely get this shine back. You can get the shine back if you buff it out. But my main concern is when people just destroy other parts to reach the other parts. Like, just completely destroy it. Like, they got like a crowbar and just shoved it into the, I guess, where it locks onto the hatch. Yeah, okay, I understand if it's locked, but can't be doing that. Go inside. You could have went inside. This is true story. When I got the white TRD spoiler at that same location, San Jose North, the hatch was closed. So what I ended up doing was I went inside the vehicle. I have to crawl in the back because this shit's locked. Oh fuck, man. This fucking sucks. I do not like doing this at all. Or wait. Oh, there it goes. I could just done that. I'm such an idiot. Really wish I had help today. And I unbolted and I took off the covers, and that's why I took off the four 10mm bolts. That's it. It's only 4 10mm bolts. There's nothing else holding on to this. There's nothing else holding the spoiler. You had to go ruin a whole hatch just to take off those 4 10mm bolts. Like, fuck. I'm sorry for cursing. I'm sorry. I just get annoyed. And to top it off, they destroyed the hatch cover, the garnish, I guess you could call it. People upgrade to those all the time. They always upgrade them to the chrome one. I like the chrome one. I like it. It gives the Celica a more modern look. And I gotta switch over. Okay, so I gotta switch on over. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Shh. Okay, cool. So yeah, I don't get these parts just for myself. I get them to flip them. It's my way of making money. It's not wrong. It's my way of making money to fund my cars, I guess you could say. But at the same time, it gives an opportunity to those people that don't have availability in the morning, I guess you could say. They don't have time to go in the morning to go to these junkyards and check out the place. Junkyards are not dry. They're not dry. I thought they were. They were dry for the very longest time. If you go back to my last junkyard video, it's been a while since I did one. It has. And one of the reasons is because, one, I don't have time. I'm working at Honda. Honda pays more than doing this. So, 5-0. Move on over. Dude, this steering wheel though, one of my axles is messed up. I got a video coming up on changing out the axles. My driver axle is the boot is torn, so I'm pretty sure there's no grease in there, and it's just clanking away. God, I'm a terrible owner. Oh, look at that. It's a nice color Corolla. Most likely repainted, because I don't think that's an OEM color. I may be wrong. I may be wrong. But I'm gonna stop rambling. Most likely these parts are gonna be sold before this video goes up. So yeah, if you guys want to see these parts for sale when I get them, go follow my Instagram. I post when I get parts. Yeah, so my Instagram followers get first dibs on everything. That's gonna be it for this video. I'm just rambling for the past 5 minutes talking, but yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification button, share this video. Thank you guys for watching.